Now to budget matters, where the residents of Samburu County want Kenyans' proposals on the 2025-2026 budget estimates acted upon to avoid last year's scenario where the youth had to hold street protests that ended in fatalities for their views to be considered. The remarks were made during the hearings to gather feedback on the budget estimates held by the National Assembly's Budget Committee in the area.
Asante sana kwa hii nafasi.
Got all the submissions from all the constituencies, which are 8 for Migori County, and we have written them. So from there, we know that we have a budget for this year, 4.2 trillion. So from here, they have given, even out of the one we wanted, they have given various projects where they want this budget committee to capture.